The decisions of the U.S. Supreme Court are seldom without controversy, and American history has seen fierce public debate over the court's proper role in the democracy. With lifetime tenure, justices in principle immune from the vagaries of public opinion, but new issues inevitably come from court because of the emerging trends in society, and evolving norms and values have always been part of these cases. As the court continues to weigh momentous cases and important social issues, the history of past decisions such as Roe v. Wade continue to be contemplated by legal scholars. Did the court move too fast? How should decisions on evolving social issues adjudicated in light of prevailing views in society? When there is an open judicial position, the president nominates someone to the position. Usually he discusses the nomination with key senators before announcing his choice. The nomination is sent to the Senate Judiciary Committee. The Judiciary Committee collects information about the nominee, including background check by the FBI and reviews nominee's record and qualifications. The Judiciary Committee holds a hearing of the nominee. Witnesses speak both in favor or against the nomination. Senators ask questions of the nominee. The Judiciary Committee votes on the nomination and makes recommendation to full Senate that the nominee be confirmed, rejected, or as they do have recommendation, sometimes they decline to send nominee to the Senate at all. The full Senate debates the nomination. A vote of 3/5 of the Senate, 60 senators, is required to end the debate. This is called the cloture. If senators wish to delay a vote on the nominee, they can filibuster, but voting in debate. When debate ends, the Senate votes, and nomination confirmation requires a simple majority of the senators and presents voting. The U.S. Supreme Court is entrusted with resolving disputes about how the United States Constitution and other federal laws should be applied to cases that have not been appealed from lower courts. The justices base their decisions on their interpretation of both legal doctrine, relatively clear-cut, and the justices decide unanimously without dissent. However, in more complicated or controversial cases, the court is often divided. It has long been commonly assumed that the votes of Supreme Court justices reflect their jurisprudential philosophies as well as their ideological learnings, personal attitudes and values, political philosophies, or policy preferences are a growing body of academic research that has confirmed the understanding of scholars and has found more that the justices largely vote in consonance with their perceived values. Analysts have used a variety of methods to deduce the specific perspective of each justice over time.